Next work order is a broken cabinet door lock. It's a Timberline CompX type. And let's see, I'm just going to replace the whole thing and issue them some keys. Carry some spares in the van. I'll carry a ton of it, but hopefully I don't have to make a trip. I just get this done. Lock plugs is here. Looking for a 101, so this is 100. There's my change tool key, so I'm going to take that with me. Stick it in the pocket. Here's some lock bodies. I think that's exactly what I need. Stick that in my pocket. And now I'm looking for some lock plugs, which is the cylinder. They just call them lock plugs with these type of cabinet door and drawer locks. Alright, so I don't have any lock plugs in this box. So let's see what else I got in here on the shelf. Looks like I got some lock plugs. I'm looking for 101. I got 103. I say 101 because they have them keyed alike. So we got one key that opens all the drawers and doors. 108. Miscellaneous parts. Oh boy, maybe I don't. 106. 106. And a lock body. And this one, 101. I got lucky. Just random on the floor in the box, and it looks good. I usually throw out old shit right away, so it just doesn't happen where you put in a bad part and you either get a call back or it just doesn't work. It's a waste of time. I got really lucky, 101, so I'm going to make a mental note and write it down to restock with some different variety lock plugs. But it looks like I should be able to accomplish this today. Someone commented on one of my videos about investing more in tools that are reliable. They were referring to my cordless drill I was using. I don't use this on tiny jobs. You know, I'm not screwing in door frames or anything. There was always I have the right tool for the job. So all I need is something like this. I'm just turning some very tiny screws. That's it. I can put this in my pocket, and that's what's handy about it. I'm in and out of buildings all the time, or even if I'm in a big building, I'm walking around a lot and I don't want to be carrying 50 pounds of tools with me. So if I got something I can just throw in a pocket, I do. It just works out great for facility maintenance. You know, I'm not a construction guy putting a building together. Then I'll just grab the right tip I need. That's a number 3. I'll use this long one, that's fine. Just easily accessible, available. Put it on like that. See? That's all I need. It saves my wrist from doing this all day, you know. If you're young, still get this, because you're eventually going to wear it out. If you're older and you're already having a problem, get something like this. Just really small. I carry a couple of them. You know, you always got a backup. I don't always have to go for the bigger drill. I even got a bigger drill back in there, a big hammer drill. It's, you know, they'll bust through. I've drilled through 8-inch concrete with it. You know, just the right tool for the right job. This is all I need. It's a lightweight thing here. All right, so I got that, and I will grab my reversible Phillips flathead, and I don't even think I need a screwdriver, but I'll bring it anyways. And I don't even think I need this channel lock thing, but I'll bring it anyways, so I don't want to take another trip to the van. So these baby little pliers, that'll work. Alright, let's head back there and fix it up. It's healthcare, so they need to lock up needles and meds and all that kind of stuff. Sure. You don't know who she is, so it don't matter.
Hold on. Oh, you see? See?
Oh, that's what I'm here to fix.
Oh, perfect. She broke in on me, just so you know.
Oh,
and
okay.
look, see, there's this thing. We couldn't lock it yesterday. Perfect.
I got a whole new lock in my pocket here.
Oh, yay.
So show me the broken cam.
About the bottom, and then the pressure will go.
Alright, back in again. Oh, no problem.
Yeah. Oh, yep, the one that you just pressed. So this one? Yeah. So can you just get out right there?
The new one. Just gotta turn the tongue. That should do it. That's the lock position. Tighten it up. Might need a smaller tongue. That's the one that came off. Put it up. Yep, that's it. 101. She's locked. She's unlocked. That's it. Simple. Really easy. Luckily I had that same lock plug, the 101. In and out. That was my last job for the day. So I'm going home. See you on the next video. If you want to see more content like this, take a look over here. Remember, like and subscribe. Thank you.